This is a tutorial to show how to record invoices into your bill or expense to do your Zoho Books in 1 minute. First we come to the Zoho Book interface. We go to Document and choose the invoice or receipt we wish to upload. Once scanned, you'll see documents available. You might see it as being failed to scan. That is because to use the full auto scan function, you need to buy the auto scan add-on. But we can still do without it by going to use a scanned copy of the invoice and just input the information ourselves. So here on this screen, we choose the invoice highlighted, and then on the right hand side, you can choose which module to add it to. For this tutorial, we are adding it to a bill. If you have purchased the auto scan, it would have scanned all the items in this menu, but because it's not, you have to input it manually. We will have to fill in all the mandatory fields. Now we go to the section where we need to input the items. Even though the screen is very small, you can technically still highlight the items on there so you can transfer the information into your new bill. After all the information is inputted correctly, you can click Save as Open to create a bill. Now you can match the records with your bank transactions. And you can always trace your records by going back to your bills and finding the invoice attachment, making your bookkeeping easy and in one place.